Hello, I'm Dionne Swift, and in this part of the Structural Stitches series I would like to show you some experiments putting pleats in the bias and looking at what mysterious and fantastic things happen when you do that. So I have a strip of fabric. You need a woven fabric for this, and I'm using cotton organdy, again, one of my preferred options. Can you see how you can create the most beautiful tube effect with a few rows of stitch on the right type of fabric and on the bias? Really lovely. This time, rather than using pleats, I've used a very tight satin stitch right on the edge of a fold, so on the edge of a pleat basically.